On Friday at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm hosting a seminar called A Potpourri of Hypnotic Techniques. Do you want to add the wow factor to your client sessions and lecture demonstrations? Do you want to be remembered as the effective hypnotist who gets referrals from clients? Included are many demonstration techniques and interactive processes which you could incorporate into your pre-talks, hypnosis sessions, and include in your lecture demonstrations to make them informative and fun. I will also demonstrate an induction that I developed that induces hypnosis, tests and deepens the client in 5 minutes or less. Join me for this seminar and we'll have fun.